All right, guys, I'm Jamie, Shine Guys. I just want to show you guys dead paint. My buddy is right here, the homie right here, his car. This is dead paint, no beating. Look at this. This is dead. There's no protection on here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wash it. I'm gonna do a quick clay on it, and I'm gonna put some ceramic detailer on it. Get them beads out, we'll back it right out, put some wash on it, I'm gonna put some water on it, and we'll just show you what the beads are like. Okay, all right, so we just washed it. I'm gonna hit it with some ceramic detailer.
Tell everybody why it's called dead paint.
So dead paint, meaning there's no protection at all, no UV protections, no waxes, no paint sealants. What I'm gonna do is a really quick thing you can do to change that, and in my opinion, the best product on the market, OP Ceramic Detailer. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray maybe a couple spritzes on each panel. Now I'm just gonna wipe it in, wipe it off. All right, guys, so we just did the quick detailer on it, and I just did this side of the car. I'm gonna back it out, grab the pressure washer, shoot it, do a bead test, and we'll do both sides so you guys can see the other side, how it's not beading, and then come back to this side. So we just backed it out. Like I said, I just did this side. There's a little scratch, I quickly did it. I'm gonna grab the pressure washer, boom, turn it on, hit it. Let's go to the side that doesn't have no protection first. All right, guys, this is the dead side. Dead. That's dead paint. That's the dead paint, man. There's just nothing going on right there. All right, let's go around to the other side. Now that's running paint. Look at them bees. Get out of here. All right, guys, so this is what's up. Ceramic Detailer, OP, Owner's Pride. Get you some, step your game up.
How easy was it to apply that and everything? Like, it doesn't take anything.
Anyways, you can do it, you use it as a drying aid. You can use it as a drying aid and get the same thing. All right, guys, that's it. Get some protection on your car, Owner's Pride, J&G Auto Reconditioning, Shine Guys, Salt Lake City. Hit us up if you're in the area. We're out here, we're working.